The explainer video is one of the most effective marketing tools if you want to raise brand awareness and boost sales. Explainer videos are also perfect when you want to pitch an idea, coach your team, or instruct users. But to get the best return on investment out of your explainer video, you need to have a solid game plan. This is why, based on our experience, we have crafted a step-by-step process that ensures we cover all the bases even before we have started with the animation. This has helped us achieve amazing results for our clients, like a 40% increase in conversions and double the annual growth. Stay tuned to see how we did that. Keep watching till the end for an amazing free tip on how you too can have a successful video marketing strategy. Virtual coffee. Before the actual process starts, we like to get to know our clients in a 15-20 minute conversation, or virtual coffee as we like to call it. This preliminary talk lets us know what it is that our prospective client needs and how we can help them achieve their goal. Workshop. We at Kashu have created over 1,000 explainer videos in the past 7 years. Each one of these clients had a unique set of goals, pain points, and expectations. So before we start sketching, we need to get to know the business and its unique goals and selling points. To help us build a working strategy for the video, we discuss things like challenges and goals, company values and unique selling points, and the buyer personas, concepts, and stylescape. Once we have a clear understanding of the client and their needs, our team gets together to brainstorm ideas for the explainer video. This includes script structure, animation styles, characters, overall mood and tone, voiceover, and music. We also present to the client 1 or 2 hand-picked styles of animation, including the character, covers, and backgrounds. Script. The script is the foundation of every explainer video. This is why it needs to be carefully crafted based on the strategy, target audience, and goals. If the client doesn't have a script, our copywriter creates one for them. If they already have a script, our experts review it and, if needed, offer suggestions on how it can be improved. At this stage, we also present detailed visual concepts for every scene in the video. Video identity. After the script and visual ideas have been approved, it's time for our designers to start working on rough sketches of the scenes and a style sample of the character. Every creative decision is based on the strategy that we have crafted for the client and the viewers we're looking to impress. The goal of the sketches is to confirm the concept, while the idea of the style sample is to pinpoint the overall look and feel. Once the visual narrative is approved, our illustrators create the storyboard that will serve as a roadmap for the animation. The storyboard is like the video, but with still images. It shows the final designs. Animation. After the storyboard has been approved by the client, it's time for our animators to bring everything to life. In the end, we add the voiceover, music, and sound effects and deliver the final product to the client for a final review. Video analytics and insights. Contrary to popular beliefs, our job doesn't end with the delivery of the explainer video. To ensure our clients get the best results, we also offer additional insights on how and where to publish the video. Our marketing analysis also includes ideas on how to optimize the campaign that features the animation. Now that you have stayed with me until this point, let me share a quick and simple way you too can get a winning video strategy. The entire process of creating a tailored, custom-made explainer animation starts with one simple 15-minute virtual coffee. You can book this conversation with me absolutely for free with no strings attached. Hit the link in the description and let's have a talk. An essential part of any video marketing strategy is the sales funnel. It helps you get to know your target audience and the path they take from a viewer to a loyal customer. To help you create your video marketing funnel, our experts have created a guide that you can download for free from the link below. Let us know in the comments what aspect of creating explainer video you want us to talk about next. For more video marketing and explainer video animation tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you next time.